Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. XRP price hangs by a thread, 25% breakout on the line. XRP price bounces off the $0.382 support level with a make or break scenario. A bounce off this level could result in a 25% upswing to $0.471. However, a breakdown could lead to a sell-off that pushes Ripple to retest the $0.288. XRP price shows a decline in momentum that could result in a steep correction. The directional bias will depend on how the remittance token will react to the immediate support level. XRP price at inflection point. XRP price has been grappling with the $0.382 support level. Investors should note that this level was a major hurdle in June and continues to be extremely significant. Depending on how the remittance token reacts to this level, it could take off or result in a steep correction. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, has slipped below 50 or the midpoint after briefly hovering above it. This decline indicates that the momentum is waning and bears are winning. However, the ongoing slump in XRP price could be a ploy from market makers to collect the sell stop liquidity resting below $0.316. Therefore, investors should not jump the gun and stick to a directional bias. A quick recovery rally above $0.382 followed by a liquidity run will signal manipulation. In such a case, market participants can expect the remittance token to continue its ascent. The $0.446 and $0.506 levels are significant barriers where holders can book profit. This move would constitute a 25% upswing for XRP price. On the other hand, if XRP price produces a decisive daily candlestick close below $0.382 without any attempts at recovery, it will signal that a bearish thesis is in play. In such a case, Ripple could trigger a 25% crash to $0.288. Ripple. Crypto lawyer gives 3 scenarios for lawsuit outcome and potential impact as motions for summary judgment in the ongoing Ripple lawsuit are now fully briefed and the judge's verdict as expected. Crypto law founder John Deaton believes the outcome will have a more far-reaching impact than previously thought. Last month, RippleAlleyLibrary.com lost its lawsuit against the SEC, with the court ruling that the cryptocurrency startup offered unregistered securities in the form of library tokens. Following this, several speculations have been making the rounds on whether the library ruling decided by an appellate court carried more weight than that of a district judge's decision, which applies in Ripple's case. According to Deaton, LBRY's decision was not as big of a deal as some suggested. He believes that District Judge Torres will have a huge impact, both practically and politically. 3 scenarios. Far-reaching impact. Deaton proposes 3 scenarios, each with far-reaching consequences. First, if the judge fully agrees with the SEC, then Gary Gensler's regulation by enforcement campaign will gain credibility and momentum. Second, if Ripple wins outright and the judge criticizes the SEC for pursuing its implausible theory of tokens being securities no matter who sells them or where they are sold, this could halt SEC Chair Gary Gensler's campaign. Third, he posits a scenario in which Judge Torres splits the proverbial baby and rules that Ripple, at some point, offered an unregistered security. But the token XRP itself is not, nor are secondary market sales, independent of Ripple. He claims that regardless of what happens, the Ripple case is ground zero and will set a significant precedent. In the wake of the FTX collapse, the main media outlets have highlighted that the outcome of the Ripple lawsuit, which the SEC filed in December 2020, may ultimately determine how much of Gensler's agenda is accomplished. Ripple hiring more engineers. Despite ongoing bear market, leading blockchain company Ripple has posted 2 job openings for its Toronto office. According to an announcement today, the Silicon Valley blockchain company wants to hire a senior director of engineering and a senior staff software engineer. Ripple described the vacancy as the job of a lifetime. Per the announcement, the engineers will contribute immensely to the firm's effort to develop scalable and robust solutions for its growing clients. According to Ripple's job opening website, both positions are available at the company's office in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Senior Director, Engineering, Liquidity, Ripple's new hire for the Senior Director in Engineering role will lead the company's teams to deliver optimal liquidity for customers in a scalable, robust, and cost-effective manner. You will mentor, lead and grow a team of applied scientists, engineers, and technical program managers building our liquidity and trading platforms that power Ripple's payments and crypto liquidity products, Ripple stated. The new hire will provide scientific and technical leadership for Ripple's forecasting, planning, routing, risk management, etc. Senior Staff Software Engineer, Liquidity Ripple noted that the ideal candidate for the position must have experience building high-performance, data-intensive trading software. The new hire for this role will deliver reliable and low-latency services for effective decision-making. We are looking for a seasoned software engineer to join our team building liquidity services at Ripple. Our liquidity platform and products enable businesses to offer crypto trading services to their end customers and is a key part of Ripple's strategy to simplify access to crypto liquidity for enterprises, the announcement read. Ripple Best Place to Work. Ripple has not slowed down its hiring efforts even during a severe bear market when most blockchain companies like Coinbase and Gemini announced staff layoffs. In October, Ripple announced a vacancy for a full-stack engineer. Headquartered in San Francisco, Ripple has offices in different cities, including Toronto, Singapore, and New York. In June, Ripple announced plans to hire 50 engineers for its Toronto office. It is noteworthy that the development comes days after Ripple was recognized as the fourth best workplace for parents in 2022. 95% of Ripple's employees indicated in a survey in October that Ripple is the best place to work compared to 57% of other U.S. firms. Fortune magazine ranked Ripple amongst 100 best places to work in August. 119,000 XRP accounts have been created since November. Total number getting insane. The number of XRP accounts has risen by almost 120,000 since the end of October and has now reached 4.46 million, as reported by XRPL Services. The total number of XRP contained in these accounts is 56.28 billion. However, there are only 994 accounts without XRP, due to the need to reserve some tokens to provide operations. Thus, the number of zero accounts is only 0.02% of the total. Also of interest is the declining number of XRPs held in Ripple escrow accounts. Over the time period indicated, that number has fallen by 600 million tokens. Ripple thus has 43.7% of the total existing XRP supply at its disposal at this point. NFTs at XRP Ledger. The statistics for NFTs based on XRPL are also interesting in view of the recent implementation of the new XLS20 standard. According to the same data, the number of NFTs offered on XRP Ledger so far stands at 79,341, of which 12,703 are buying and 66,638 are selling. As previously reported by You Today, the current NFT sales record on XRPL was set in late November, when an unidentified community member bought an item from the Xpunks collection for 108,900 XRP. Ripple CTO shuts down ChatGPT's XRP conspiracy theory. Ripple's chief technology officer has responded to a conspiracy theory fabricated by artificial intelligence, AI, tool ChatGPT, which alleges the XRP ledger, XRPL, is somehow being secretly controlled by Ripple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.